So as you guys know, over the holidays I moved into a new place, so everything's been in flux. The vehicle's a little bit off the channel, nothing's been worked on. I'm not gonna lie, buying a house, moving, all that took a lot out of me. So today I just took her for a wash, and here, let me show you what I'm working on. So you guys are probably familiar with the whole tire foam and a rag cleanup that I did a while back. It's got about, a little over 16,000 views, I think. But basically, you just spray your tire foam on anything that's sort of plastic, and as you can see, the shine that it gives it. Now, this truck has never, ever, since I bought it, had any kind of engine detail. So I just kind of gave it a nice little once over. You can see some of the plastic just isn't absorbing it yet. It's probably going to take a couple of tries. But, just a general once over, I always call it the just give a crap, right? Just make your car look like you care about it a little bit. So even though this car hasn't had a lot of customization since a little while, I'm starting to get back to it. Here, let me show you. I just took it to the car wash. All right, pardon the porta potty. I just moved her. Still doing construction everywhere. But there is Project X all cleaned up, fresh from the car wash. So I just went through and just kind of got it clean, got some armor on them tires. It's been a while, like I said, since we've done anything, but I just kind of wanted to show you that I'm still keeping it up. Like, the whole goal was to first get it back up to how it should be, the way it came probably from the factory. So it still has a lot of little things. I got this cool little Christmas gift. Everybody knows I'm a Batman fan, so thanks to Jules, who got me a phone holder. That's pretty dope. So basically, like I said, just cleaned it up. I've never really done a whole lot to the truck other than just keep it running and those small repairs you guys have seen in the videos. It still has this passenger door that doesn't want to open, so I got to get that fixed. And then after that, just kind of get new headlights are sort of some of the things I want to do first. I love to paint this. And then a little part of me was like, if I keep the truck, I'd love to paint this part the color of the hood. It's not normally done on most exteriors. Everybody paints everything black, but I was thinking some nice new headlights, freshen up the bumpers a bit. Be nice to paint this a darker color, or even, just something dark, and then maybe put the maroon at the bottom. I thought that would look kind of dope. Maybe get the Nissan sticker back up at the top. But again, it's all just kind of like right now, I just wanting to just still keep it decent, keep it nice and shiny. Again, I always joke on the channel, giving a crap. And yeah, I'm just, keeping it up. Now here's the Mustang. It's filthy right now because, again, I just moved in. Haven't had a chance to really clean this one. It's probably next on my list. The only thing that's bothering me right now with this one is one of my new headlights. As you can see, there's well, they're not new. They're almost 2 years old now, but one of them got condensation in it now right there. So it's really annoying me because they were sealed with silicone. So I'm unsure as to why. This is a garage kept car, but ever since we moved, it is no longer a garage kept car. So it is now kind of outside in the elements for right now. So yeah, just this one's going to be up next. This one, just a little update on this car. This one needs 2 coils. It's got 2 coils that went bad. So the goal is to try to get that going because it's considerably affected, obviously, how it drives. And you're not supposed to be driving around like that. So that's why it's parked. So I want to get those 2 coils repaired. The AC is working, but it does need a little bit of a recharge. And then I got to figure out what I'm going to do with the wheels. I really don't like these wheels, and I don't want to buy tires for wheels I don't like. So I'm going to be looking into that. But that's the update on that one. And one more update. All right, in this mess of a garage, sorry guys, I just moved. Here's Project Shadow. So last video that I did on the bike was basically getting it running again. I had a lot of battery issues. I ended up having a fuse problem. All that has been fixed. The bike is running, turns on like a champ. The only thing that it has wrong at this moment right now is the left lamp on the taillight went out, and I know what it is. When we opened up the seat in here and did all the battery repair, we crimped the wire again, and it was working. And then as soon as I fixed the bike, went to ride it, it went out. So I don't know if maybe that came apart, but that's kind of the update on that one. So that's kind of an update on the 3 vehicles. Project X is outside. It is all cleaned up. It's always nice to have your car, shiny and new, even though it's very, a 2010, but I try my best to keep it up really nice. There's still a lot of plans for that truck, you know, on and off, like any of you guys. Sometimes I feel like just getting rid of some of the vehicles and getting something new to work on. But you know, it's always like that until you get a little money to do something you want to do. That's why I have a Patreon. So if you guys want to support the channel, it really helps me. I'm obviously doing 3 projects on occasion, on and off each one. So if you guys want to support my channel, you like the content that I'm making, you could actually go to patreon.com/Wild Style Customs, and you could choose to give a little bit, and I use all those funds to either do repairs, do customizations, or just keep the channel alive, keep it going. But that's kind of it for the updates. But I wanted to just tag a quick update at the end because all 3 vehicles have been off the channel for a bit, except for, I believe, the bike. That was the last video I did before the holidays. So anyway, I just want to be back, let you guys know all 3 cars have now been moved to their new location. I'm getting back to working on them. You should see some fresh new videos coming soon, and always support the channel. Again, check out our Patreon, patreon.com/Wild Style Customs.